How's it going today, guys? Like a Good Gamer here, and today I decided to do a review on the Atari Flashback 8 Gold. For those of you that don't know, this is a plug-and-play Atari 2600 console with 120 built-in classic Atari games. It uses an HDMI cord so you can play it on your 4K Ultra HD TVs to really experience the graphics of the Atari 2600. But enough talk, and let's jump right in. So I just wanted to do a quick review on all the games, and since there's 120 games, I'll probably do 10 games per video, so this will probably be a 12-part video. I'm just going to go in alphabetical order and start with game 1, which is 3D Tic-Tac-Toe. So when you click on a game, it gives you a little bit of instructions basically, but I mean, it's tic-tac-toe, how fucking hard could it be? What kind of tic-tac-toe board is this? This is a 1 to 2 player game, and there should be a computer, but I don't know when it's the computer's turn. There, I got 3 in a row. Did I win? Can I get 4 in a row? Alright, 4 in a row tic-tac-toe. Okay, first game sucks. Alright, let's try the next game, Adventure. So this is actually one of the few Atari 2600 games that you can actually beat, and there's like 4 different levels, I think there's 3 different levels, and each level gets quite a bit harder. Right now we're just going to do level 1, and I already kind of have it memorized just so I could do it quickly and show you, but it's actually a pretty fun game. As to anything with Atari, you have to be pretty imaginative. That square dot right there is you, and that arrow is actually a sword that you use to kill those dragons, which look kind of like seahorses, but whatever. And this is kind of a maze slash puzzle game that can actually get to be pretty difficult in some of the harder levels. But the point of the game is to get a chalice from whatever, the black castle to the yellow castle, and you have to get keys to unlock it, and the color of the key will unlock the color of the castle, obviously. So like right now I have the black key, and it will unlock the black castle, and anything that magnet will have anything attached to it, and that comes on later in the game. Right now we don't even need the magnet at all, but this flashing cup looking thing is the chalice. So now all I gotta do is bring it back to the yellow castle. I gotta remember where it came from. Right there. Like I said, this maze gets pretty hard, but I have it memorized. There we are, and classic Atari sound effects, love it. That's it for level 1. Level 1's super easy, and like I said, they get quite a bit harder. But we'll just move on to the next game for now. Okay, so next up we have Adventure 2. Now, unlike the first adventure game, this game does not have different levels of difficulty. That's great, a fucking dragon all the way. It's just one level that's hard as shit. As you can see, I'm already getting fucking attacked by a dragon. I have yet to beat this game. I've seen people beat it online, and it usually takes them about a half hour, but the concept is the same. You have to get the chalice back to the castle. Still a fun little maze game, but again, like I said, pretty fucking difficult. Alright, next is Air Raiders. Now, this is probably my favorite Atari 2600 game. You're basically just a pilot in first-person view, and your goal is to shoot down as many planes as you can before you run out of ammo or fuel. The joystick is like really fluent, and it feels kind of like a classic arcade game, and I really like that. But there's no other objective other than to try to get as many, whatever, shoot down as many planes as you can, and then you give it to your friend and see if he can shoot down that many planes. You can land and refuel if you shoot down at least 10 planes, so I'll try to shoot down some planes if I can fucking find any or so. We'll try to get to 10, we'll see if I can land it. Landing's kinda hard in this game. now let's try to land it. You have to cruise at like 0 altitude, but you had to take it down really slow, otherwise it'll crash it. You gotta wait for the runway to appear. There it is. And there we landed it, and it takes some of your ammo after you land, but it fills you back up, so let's just take off again and shoot down some more planes. Let's see if I can get these guys. Yeah, actually a pretty fun game. Alright, next up is Air-Sea Battle. This is mostly a 2-player game, but you can also play 1-player. The only bad thing about playing 1-player is there's no computer to play against. You just play against yourself and then try to beat your score the next time. That's about it. And the whole objective is you're this anti-aircraft gun at the bottom on the blue one, and you just try to shoot the airplanes out of the sky. And it's actually kind of hard because they go really fast. Oh, so that was bullshit. I hit him. Jesus. Holy shit. Alright, fuck that. That game's like impossible.